Angie and your whole deal. Angie in real life with one L. I am your hope dealer and your purpose pusher, 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 pusher.
Here's what you gotta do. Hit the bus and start your coming too. Here's what you gotta do. Hit the bus and start your coming too. It's Angie in real life. It's Angie in real life. It's one of the real life.
I am your hope dealer and your What's up, my lifers? How are we? Welcome back to another day's journey in the world with your girl, me, Angie, in real life. Guess what day it is? 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 It's Angie in real life. It's Angie in real life. Yes, it is Angie in real life with one L. You guys, I am your hope dealer and your purpose pusher. Guess what, guys? Today is product review day. And I am actually reviewing a product from Amazon, which is called a EMS Hips Trainer. EMS Hips Trainer. It may show backwards to you guys. EMS Hips Trainer, which is electrical muscle stimulator. You can use this for your buttocks or your hips and your abs. And this is supposed to tone you. It says it has variable frequencies, 10 intensity levels, 15-minute auto run, and 6 modes. So you guys, I tried this on, and I'll show you later on in the video where I actually put it on my abs, and I really like the effect that it gave me as far as the feeling. So let me show you what came into this box because I already opened it. So what comes in this box is the actual device, which is this. This is the actual unit that you will be applying to your abs. See how that looks? See how thin it is? I thought it would be bigger than this. I thought it would be thicker than this. But it's like vinyl. And then it has like the electrodes on the back. This here was sticky and this is sticky. This side here is sticky. So you stick this to yourself. When you're placing it on your hips or your buttocks, then you would place this like in the small of your back where your tailbone is. And then this would be down on your butt cheeks that way. Then when you're doing it on your abs, you would flip it upside down that way and stick this adhesive to your stomach. These are sticky. So, and it came with extra adhesives. You got 1, 2, 3, one for each of the little sticky parts. So it came with 3 adhesives, extra adhesive. It has the adhesive on here. It was actually attached to the back of a clear one. Then it comes with the actual thing that gives it life, which is the battery pack. You attach that on here if y'all can see it. Let me see. Click. It has 2 buttons. It's 2 buttons on here. And the adjustments is there. The button pockets. So what you do is, can you guys see? You attach these to that. Oh, I turned it on. Turn it to that. So this is what it looks like. This is your power source that gives the electronic stimulation, and then you have a remote. What I realized, and if you guys can see, that if it's not attached to anything, it's not working. It doesn't work. If all electrodes are not attached, it doesn't work, which is a good thing. Keep you from being shocked. So let me turn this back off. So it came with, this is what it looks like. This is the electrodes. Y'all, so I tried it. Now that it's attached, this is rechargeable. It has a little USB port there that came with a USB that is rechargeable. This is what it came with. That you just hook it into here, this little part. And of course, I got blocks all around the house, so they didn't send a block with it, but you can use it with any regular USB port. You have the remote that actually starts it. So guys, stay tuned. to actually see. Oh yeah, and it came with instructions, and you guys already know we are not good with instructions. We don't really read instructions, but I did look at the instructions, but I kind of like did my own thing at the same time. But it tells you what to do. Slide the battery in. I already put the battery in. It came with the battery. Then you attach the device on the hip pads, which I did that. Basically, I followed the instructions in this book. It says Toner Smart Training Wearable Buttocks Toner Trainer for Men and Women. It's supposed to, this is a 2019, a newest design. Can help tone and tighten and firm. So guys, we're going to do some firmation while we in isolation, okay? Hashtag bars, formation while in isolation, while in quarantine-mation. Anyway, guys, I hope it made you laugh during this time of pandemic that we are going through. So guys, hang in the rest of this video, watch it. I will show you how I attached it to my hips and buttocks, but I did not actually show that part. I just talked about it. And then I did video a little bit of it on my abs, and I did show that, but that's only in contingent if my husband allows me to release that part. So you guys stay tuned for the rest of the video. You guys, this is so cool. I have it on my hips and my buttocks, and this remote change, it's just like you being in a massage chair. You know how you go to the nail shop and you get your nails done and you can hit the different levels? Ooh. Okay, and then this intensifies it. This hurt. I could see this working. This takes it down. This intensifies it. This changes the mode. Ooh, no. That's doable. This changes the speed and the mode. Alright guys, that's on my hips, my buttocks. I'm going to try it on my abs. Be right back. Okay guys, just so that you are able to see the placement of this device on my abs, I'm going to show you a quick little video, a little thing here. So it's underneath my abs there. I placed it on kind of like where my ribs are, like when you get your little six pack. And then, without showing y'all all my good stuff, there's the remote where you can actually change the settings. See that? And it hurts. That feels pretty good. These are the different settings. And it just feels like a 10 unit or a massage chair. I like that when that's intensified. Intensifying it is the up. Ooh. And then again, you can take it down. It's painful. You don't want to be in pain. Or if you're a glutton for punishment, then you can go that route. That changes it again. As you see, each light indication is a different level of intensity. And you guys, I'll be only seeing this video if my husband allows me. If not, I won't be showing this part. But yes, I like this one too. Let's take it up a little bit. Oh, yes. That feels like kneading hands. Y'all, I like this. I'm working my abs laying down. Lovely. You guys can see my scars from my surgery. Where I had my gallbladder surgery and my sleeve surgery. And there you have it, guys. Different settings, level of intensity, decrease the intensity, increase the intensity, and then you can change the level. Alright guys, there you have it. The EMS abs and hip stimulator by your girl Angie. Okay. Overall guys, I think that I would like this particular device, the EMS hips trainer. I would prefer to use it on my abs. I am sitting right here now with it on, and I don't know what result it would be, but it feels pretty good. It feels pretty decent. Would I spend money on it? I don't know if I would do that, but it was fun. It was one of my funner product reviews. I really enjoyed it. It for $28.90. It's not really that bad. Again, it's the Toner Smart Training Wearable Buttock Toner Trainer for men and women. You can use it for your abs or your hips. Me personally, I am going to use it on my abs. It feels pretty decent. Self-training at home in the gym or an office. I can sit right here every day and do my videos and train my abs. It says target and tone your abs, buns, and thighs. So I haven't tried it on my thighs, but I will. It felt okay. My more target wouldn't really be my butt, but I'll try it and see. But overall, I like the product. Do I recommend it? Yes. If you have $28.90 to spend, yes, I would recommend it. Me personally, I would not spend $30 on this. I would never even give it second thought. But if you are a person that's into health and training and you don't have time and you're into ab training, I would say this is for someone that already has healthy abs, that's not so meaty and chunky in that area. That's what I would say. And you want to spend more time training your abs, but you don't have the time to actually sit down and do the work. So 15 minutes is what is recommended. It says bottom tone-in system uses EMS technology for women to lift, shape, and firm their butt and thighs to creating a new, beautiful, and stylish look. 15 minutes per day, 2 to 3 times per week can bring you nice shape of fitness, body, hips. It says keep fighting. So again, it has the 10 different kind of intense frequencies. It has 15 minutes auto run, and it has 6 modes. Some of these modes hurt. You can increase the intensity with this remote. Again, mode 1, mode 2, mode 3, mode 4, 5, and 6. And then the frequencies, there's 10. Oh, that hurt, guys. But you can increase it. Depends if you're a glutton for punishment. Oh my God. But it was one of my funner, well, all my reviews are fun, but this one really made me laugh. So there you have it. Product review. Buy or buy, which is BYE or BUY. Me, I would say it depends on you. I don't think I would spend $30 on this. I don't think this is something for fat girls. I think it's for someone that's already like pretty much toned and want to work more. So I don't know. We'll see. It was fun, guys. I enjoyed doing it. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. Tell everyone you know about what's going down in the world with your girl, me, Angie, in real life. 1L in real life. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. Tell everyone that you know about what's going down. I think I've said that already. Let me see. Don't forget to about what's going on. What's going on? I love you guys. That's my time. That's it. And that's all. Until the next product review. Deuces.